Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, a million twinkling stars a canvas for your imagination? Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our atmosphere, what secrets the universe holds? For centuries, humanity has dreamt of reaching for the stars. From the early astronomers charting the heavens to the daring astronauts planting flags on the moon, we've embarked on a remarkable journey into the cosmos. Here, on Beyond Earth, buckle up for your space odyssey. We'll take you on that journey with us. Buckle up as we explore the wonders of our own solar system. From the scorching inferno of the Sun to the icy plains of Pluto, we'll unveil the secrets of each planet, moon, and asteroid. We'll delve into the swirling storms of Jupiter, witness the ethereal rings of Saturn, and discover the hidden oceans beneath the icy crust of Europa. But our solar system is just a single address in a vast cosmic neighborhood. Beyond Earth, we'll venture into the Milky Way galaxy, a swirling sea of billions of stars, each a potential home for life. We'll explore the breathtaking nebulae, the fiery stellar nurseries, and the enigmatic black holes that warp the fabric of space-time. But our story doesn't end there. We'll push the boundaries of our understanding as we delve into the mysteries of the universe itself. We'll unravel the secrets of the Big Bang, explore the mind-bending theories of dark matter and dark energy, and contemplate the possibility of life on other planets. Whether you're a seasoned space enthusiast, a curious student, or simply someone who gazes at the stars with wonder, Beyond Earth has something for you. Join us on this incredible odyssey where learning about space becomes an awe-inspiring adventure. Let's explore the cosmos together, ask the big questions, and push the boundaries of human knowledge. Subscribe to Beyond Earth, buckle up for your space odyssey, and follow us on at Beyond Earth Buckle Up. Together, let's unlock the secrets of the universe, one cosmic adventure at a time.